Want to make money online while balancing your studies? As a student, time is your most valuable asset, but finding a side hustle that fits your schedule can be tough. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 skills that are not only profitable, but also feasible for students to learn and start earning. We're talking about practical examples, proven strategies, and actionable steps you can take today to start building your online income streams. Let's kick things off with freelance writing. It's a fantastic way to monetize your writing skills. Think about it. Every website, every business, they all need compelling content. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for everything from blog posts and website copy to social media captions and even scripts like this one. Don't worry if you're not a literary genius. Start by focusing on a niche that interests you. Build a portfolio of sample work and then start pitching clients. Remember, consistency is key in freelance writing. The more you write, the better you become, and the more you can earn. Next up, graphic design. In today's digital world, strong visuals are everything. Businesses are constantly looking for talented designers to create logos, social media graphics, website banners, and more. Learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva can open up tons of opportunities. And the best part is, you can find tons of free resources and tutorials online to get started. Once you've got the basics down, start building a portfolio showcasing your best work. Consider offering discounted rates initially to attract clients and build a strong reputation. Are you a whiz in a particular subject? Why not share your knowledge and get paid for it through online tutoring? Platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors connect students with tutors in various subjects, from math and science to English and history. You can set your own hours and work from the comfort of your dorm room. The key to success in online tutoring is patience, clear communication, and a genuine passion for helping others learn. Building a strong profile with your qualifications and experience will help attract more students. Let's face it, everyone's on social media these days, and businesses are no exception. Small businesses often struggle to keep up with their social media presence. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can help businesses create engaging content, schedule posts, run ads, and interact with their followers. Start by learning the basics of social media marketing and familiarizing yourself with different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Offer your services to local businesses or startups looking to boost their online presence. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing model where you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. A great way to start is with Amazon Associates, one of the largest affiliate programs out there. Choose products you believe in and that align with your interests or niche. Create valuable content such as blog posts, product reviews, or social media posts incorporating your affiliate links. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships and focus on providing genuine value. So there you have it. 5 powerful skills you can start learning today to earn money online as a student. Remember, you don't have to master all of them at once. Start with one that resonates with you, invest the time to learn and practice, and gradually expand your skill set. Subscribe to this channel for more insightful tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Start building your skills today and watch your bank account grow.